Hello guys, good morning sa atin lahat, no? Happy Valentine's sa lahat. At sa mga walang kapartner dyan, Happy Valentine's sa atin lahat. So by the way, ayan, my name is Franklin Miras. Ayan, I'm here in Cebu doing my networking business online and then in Elites Empire. So I'm so happy and I'm so blessed today because you know, napakaganda yung araw, napakaganda yung sinag ng araw today. And then now, so I'm so blessed and I want to share this opportunity, the best opportunity in Elites Empire, to those people are looking for the best opportunity and the best community only in Elites Empire. You know what? Because if you are investing here in Elites Empire, this is a lifetime investment. But if you invest more, you have to income more. And then this is, you know, in Bisaya, this is pwedeng ipamana, and there is some insurance including to your family and your loved ones. And you know guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, one of my colleagues here in online business. Ito yung mga na-achieve nila ng mga sasakyan guys. Ayan. So dating wala din sila guys. So ang inuumpisa nila guys dito is nangutang lang din sila, humanap sila ng paraan. Pero anong binigay sa kanila guys ng highest creator? So napakaganda yung mga bagay na gusto mong mabili. Ayan guys, gusto mo yung mabili sa buhay mo, so you can achieve this one because you will, when you're doing this online business, you have exactly, you have you know, ano ba yung tawag doon is you become successful. So you buy something in, you know, you can save time to become rich because within take at 1 year or 2 years, more than 2 years, so you will become a multi-millionaire here in the community in Elites Empire. So napakaganda guys, no? So English speaking ako ngayon guys, so basta Bisaya English speaking. You know that. So hello sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa iba't ibang bansa o sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, marami naghahanap ng best opportunity pero hindi pa nila nakita guys kung anong napakagandang company, napakagandang community. So my company is built up already 18 years. This coming June 9, mayroon kaming events sa Philippine Arena. Mayroon kaming parables doon. So empowered consumerism na build up na siya ng 18 years. So ang amin pong ang may-ari, siya po yung si Dr. Ed Cabantog, no? So napakaganda yung guys, yung company. So build up already. So dito sa Cebu, mayroon siyang 8 palapag na building. So siya yung may-ari. At saka sa Manila, mayroon din silang, I think it's more than how many branches already over here in the Philippines, but also in other country. This is you know, this is international company. So napakaganda guys, napakaganda na si the Elites Empire built by Perhong, you know, the Miss Global 3rd runner-up. So na-build niya tong Elites Empire guys within more than 3 years. But anong nangyari sa more than 3 years guys? So nag-create siya ng 125 millionaires, kasama na yung mga multi-millionaires doon guys. So dati mga estudyante, dating mayroon nga dito guys kaming kasama na PP na hindi nakapagsalita, pero nag-earn siya guys in 6 figures every month. So gamit lang niya guys kasi marunong siya bumasa. Yan lang, communications in the social media all over the world. So bakit siya paniniwalaan guys? Because we have a solid system, we have a big company built up in 18 years. So that's why ang mga tao guys, talaga guys, once the people knows this company, and knows what the community. So talagang mag-ano talaga sila guys, ma-encourage talaga sila or mag-doubt sila what anong ginagawa ng mga networking na sobrang yaman ngayon. So see, katulad nito guys. Hello Philippines.